knob-billed duck or African com duck or nakta. This is one of the largest duck species inhabiting the tropical and subtropical wetlands and waterways of sub-Saharan Africa, Madagascar, South Asia and mainland Indochina. Scientifically, it is known as Sarchidionis melanothos. It's early morning and the sun is just above the horizon, leaving the subject in good light and water radiating nice blue color. This time of the year is so special that after spending hours, I feel like spending more time in the nature's lab. Hope you like this video.